Dedicated to all the homies, jam to the song. California check, yellow, L-locs, yo, you and mom and pops. If y'all listening,
the road on my shoulders, promise of love, I go amazing. And I treat you like my last.
Just got out of the class and then get to the top, ain't no one. And then all of a sudden you just vanished.
Bad one, mama only already lost my fucking dad.
Y'all was a young kid.
A-B-double-O, let me hear from the back before I do that.
Your ace and beast can beat me. Go show me out on my own face to my destiny.
Should've never done all the things that I did. I'm stuck in a hole full of bullshit. The cops on the way back home to my son. Daughter's been raped.
The G popping me and memories erased, pumping lace. Catch me to my cousins that passed away. How you doing? You up there? We really miss you.
Got a cigarello, Marlboro red, stress running through my head. That's what I said, don't bleed no blue. That's true, you pop me a brew. Thanks a lot, I'ma get one back to you. That's how I roll. Some niggas know how it goes. Bros of a host for show. 559, California, best marijuana, best fucking rappers down and dirty, ready for whatever. Paint me a picture. Now I'm an actor, Joe Rogan, on Fear Factor, eating cats, grubbing dog. Just a little Asian, I'm a fucking hog. Ooh, that's hot, I'm burning it up. Temperature rising, heating up. Give me a beer, pour me a shot. See those bitches, don't cop block. Just fucking stop, you acting shady. She ain't your lady, you crazy homeboy. Don't kill my game, about to get laid. I drop my pants, I'm getting brains. Her friend looking at me strange. I promise I won't fuck your friend no more again. I'm a pothead, heavy drinker. Sometimes I forget my blinkers. Fuck, a checkpoint, my heart rate goes up fast. Sorry you been drinking, nope, just wait so the pigs let me pass. This must be a sign, stop fucking around. DTC and all over town, or else your face won't meet the ground again.
And yet it again with his paper, your pen, tending these wounds. How long has it been since stuck in my room? So much time I waste to consume, explaining how life has changed me. Getting the wrong signs that you're not even hearing me. I'm standing for something, if you stand for nothing, you fall for anything. Your life in the pen, I won't go, and many that I know go. And rolling around this town slow-mo. At late nights, my whip's overheating on a mission to own which market. Feeling like everyone's target with a box of OEs. Kicking and drinking this life away. Gotta get paid to get laid, but first you gotta get made before I'm sent to my grave.